Are you on your balance beam, Olivia?
Hey, you forgot to do a balance beam.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe I forgot that balance beam. Here we go. You going behind me?
You forgot to do it out.
No, I didn't.
No, you're supposed to do up and down.
I did up and down and I did 2 feet on. I did both. You try.
No, you didn't do both.
You don't want me to do both? Show me how.
I like to jump.
You don't want to jump?
No, I want to jump.
Okay.
No, you don't do 2 feet.
Why?
You do 1 feet.
You want me to go back and do 1 foot?
Yes. I'm walking on the ground.
All the way back?
Walking on the ground.
Okay. Going. I did it all the way this time. Don't forget, Ava's here on our walk too. There she is. Hanging out in the Bjorn. Oh, it is a new sidewalk, you're right. Keep going. Olivia, can you turn around and sing a song for the camera? What do you want to sing? You want to sing Zippity Doo Dah?
Yes.
Okay.
Zippity doo dah, zippity, my oh my, a wonderful day. 1 year church, shine coming my way. Zippity doo dah, zippity.
Yay, good job. You want to sing anything else?
No.
No, you all done singing? Okay, we keep on our walk? Let's go. I don't know, we'll have to go and see if Susie's out.
It's not gonna do it.
Okay.
Okay? And you think she has something.
You think she has something for you? Okay, stop right there, please. Okay, turn around. Can you say bye?
Something for me and Avery.
Olivia, turn around and say bye-bye to the camera.